Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1936 Ford Fordor. Very interesting vehicle we have here at Skyway Classics. Of course, you know, everybody always wants a muscle car, but every now and then you need to think back to the beginning when a car was first made. They were not made for power, but more of style. This beautiful little Fordor we have here at Skyway Classics features a beautiful gray paint exterior with the old-fashioned, I'd like to say, moon wheels. Very skinny wood tires. For our interior, you have the nice cloth brown bench seat. You've got the 3-speed manual here, which downshifts pretty good. In fact, the best part why it runs so smooth is not because it has a old V6 in it, but it has a V8 under the hood. Not so powerful, but drives very good. As this was just restored, I don't know how long ago, probably a few months. But going down the road, she runs very good. I'd also like to give you a little bit of a brake test to show you how well she actually stops. Not so bad there. And of course, the more you drive these cars, the better they are. Even the cluster, you can see right there, it's all pretty clean. All our gauges are fresh. Got a nice full tank of gas. Our temperature gauge is reading normal. And yeah, this is a nice little piece of history. But as for now, we're going to get it turned around and up on the lift. Please stay tuned to see the underneath.